Hi, this is Teacher Maria of the Q's Academy. Our topic is all about Geographiyang Pisikal. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Ang Geograpiyang Pisikal ay ang sangay ng geografiya na tumatalakay sa mga likas na katangian ng mundo. Ang geograpiyang pisikal ay tumutukoy sa iba't ibang anyong lupa at anyong tubig sa isang lugar. So ito ang mga pangunahing paksa ng geograpiyang pisikal. Ang tatalakayin natin ngayon ay tungkol sa ang lupa or landforms. These are the natural features or resources on the Earth's surface. So una ay ang bundok o mountain. Mataas na anyong lupa na karaniwang mas mataas kaysa burol. So these are the examples. Mount Everest, the tallest mountain in the world, found in Nepal, Tibet. Second is the Mount Fuji, the sacred and iconic volcano in Japan. And the Rocky Mountains, the long mountain range in North America. Now, let's talk about burol or hill, bahagyang mataas na anyong lupa, mas mababa kaysa bundok. So, for example, the Chocolate Hills, the famous tourist spot with many cone-shaped hills found in Bohol, Philippines. And the Beacon Hill, the well-known hill in southern England. And the Hollywood Hills, the famous area in Los Angeles, USA. And the Batanes Rolling Hills, the beautiful grass-covered hills in the Philippines. And ang pangatlo ay ang kapatagan or plain, malawak at patag na anyong lupa. Like the Central Luzon Plains, the grass granary of the country here in the Philippines. And the Great Plains in USA, and the Manchurian Plain in China, and the Pampas Plain in Argentina, and the Indo-Gangetic Plain in India. Yes, and let's talk about lambak or valley, mababang bahagi ng lupa sa pagitan ng dalawang bundok or burol. Like, this is the bundok, and then the area of land between the mountains are called lambak, or tinatawag natin itong mga lambak or valley or lambak. So remember, bundok, and then the low area of land between the mountains or hills is called lambak. Like the Cagayan Valley in the Philippines. It's very nice. And the Rift Valley in East Africa. And the Loire Valley in France. Wow, it's very nice. And the Yosemite Valley in California, USA. At ang pang-apat na anyong lupa ay ang bulkan or volcano. Bundok na may mataas na tuktok kung saan maaaring sumabog ang lava. So like Mayon Volcano, kilala ito sa perpektong hugis kono or perfect cone shape, found in Albay, Philippines. And the Taal Volcano, maliit pero aktibo, nasa loob ng lawa, found in Batangas, Philippines. And the Mount Pinatubo in Zambales, Philippines. Ito ay sumabog noong 1991. Isa ito sa pinakamalakas na pagsabog ng kasaysayan. So, it's very nice volcano, the Mount Pinatubo. And the Mount Vesuvius. Sumira ito sa lungsod ng Pompi noong AD 79. It is found in Italy. Wow. And the Mount Fuji, banal na bulkan at simbolo ng Japan, the sacred volcano and Japanese symbol, found in Japan. And the Mauna Loa volcano, isa sa pinakamalaking bulkan sa mundo, found in Hawaii, USA. And the Jalakal volcano. Sumabog ito noong 2010 at nakaapekto sa eroplano sa Europa. So found in Iceland. Ang pang-apat naman na anyong lupa ay ang talampas or plateau. Patag na anyong lupa na nasa mataas na lugar. Like the Tibetan Plateau in China. And the Colorado Plateau in USA. And the Deccan Plateau in India. So those are the real plateau we can find in different places of our world. And let's talk about pulo or island. Ito ay anyong lupa na napapalibutan ng tubig. Like Apo Island, the marine sanctuary or scuba diving paradise, found here in our place, Darwin, Negros Oriental. Yes, I'm from Darwin. And the Camiguin Island, known as Island Born of Fire due to many volcanoes. And it's in Mindanao, Philippines. Philippines has many islands. And the Malapascua Island, the famous for treasure shark diving, it's in Cebu, Philippines. And Siargao Island, the surfing capital of the Philippines, in Surigao del Norte. And the Coron Island, known for lagoons and shipwreck diving, found in Palawan, Philippines. So there's a lot of islands in the Philippines. So come and visit. And now let's talk about Tangway or Peninsula. Ito ay anyong lupa na nakausli at napapalibutan ng tubig sa tatlong panig. So sa left, right, and front. So, Hilaga, Kanluran, Silangan, mayroong napapalibutan ng tubig. Like the Bataan Peninsula in the Philippines. And the Iberian Peninsula in Spain and Portugal. And the Malay Peninsula in Southeast Asia. And Florida Peninsula in USA. And also the Korean Peninsula found in North and South Korea. And now let's talk about Tangos or Cape or Headland. Ito ay anyong lupa na makitid na bahagi ng lupa na nakausli sa tubig, parang maliit na tangway or peninsula. So let's talk about Cape Bojidor. It's in Ilocos Norte, Philippines. It's very nice place. And the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa. And Cape Horn found in Chile. And the Cape Cod in USA. And Cape Inganyo in Palau Island, Philippines. Philippines is rich of natural resources, landforms. So please come and visit. Remember, physical geography is not just about studying landforms like mountains, hills, plains, islands, and volcanoes. It is also about marveling at God's power and wisdom in creation. Each landform has a purpose. It provides shelter, food, and natural resources and reflects the beauty of the Creator. In Psalm 24:1, it says, "The earth is the Lord's and everything in it, the world and all who live in it." So I hope you've learned something new today. You may watch it again, share, comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Teacher Maria of the Q's Academy. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Please watch our next topic. It's all about anyong tubig.